Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a facial at home and the extraction of black hands and white hands, like you can see. So it's gonna be a great one. So make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed and you like my content. And now let's get into the video. So the first thing that we are going to do is cleanse the face. I've used my aloe vera cleanser to cleanse my face just to ensure that I get the dirt off that the face might be having and any other product that I might have applied. The next thing after washing the face is steaming. So we are going to take a bucket and put boiled water that has already boiled, and then we are going to cover our face in that basin, then cover with a towel or any masai or anything that you might be having. You cover your face, and if you feel like you're not breathing, you can come out for some few minutes, then go back. And now that's how the face looks. It looks steamed. Whatever it has looking like water, it's not water, it's steam. Then I'm going to use hairpin. The black thing that I'm holding is a hairpin to extract blackheads and whiteheads that I might be having, and I have so many of them, like you can see. So this pin is helping me to get rid of them. So I'll just be using just a small force just to ensure that the white ends comes out. So guys, enjoy these. Also guys, visit my YouTube channel, and I have so many content. Go and check them out. I have content on skincare, I have content on makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair care and doing my hair, all that. So please check it out. After extracting the black ends and white ends, the next thing I'm going to do is scrub my face. So that's a homemade scrub. Guys, I really love this scrub. I've made a video on how to make this scrub, so check it in my YouTube channel. So I am going to scrub all over my face, and I'm using low force or no force. At the same time, the grains of this scrub are small and therefore they are not harsh on the skin. So I scrub everywhere, like you can see me doing. Then wash the face, and then after that I've applied some oil on my eyebrows, and now I want to shape my eyebrows. Guys, I've also done a whole video on how you can be able to shave your own eyebrows, or to shape them, or to groom them, whichever word you want to use. So I shape mine using this eyebrow eraser. Then after that I apply oil all over the face because I want to shave my face. I've never done this, I've never shaved my face before, but today I've decided to get rid of those small to hair on the face. It's not hair that you can be able to see, but at the same time shaving enhances you to get rid of dead skin. Then after that I'm going to apply my mask. This mask is also a DIY mask that I've made at home, so check all this beautiful content on my channel. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box so that you can be able to access all those videos. So I apply the mask, then stay with it for like 5 minutes, and then I wash it off and pat dry the face. And now it's time to moisturize the face. So I'm going to apply my serum. I distribute it everywhere, then I apply my moisturizer. And guys, at this particular moment, I feel my face feeling so clean and so moisturizing. It just feels so good. The camera is not doing it justice, so so look at that, the glow is growing. Yeah, look at that, I love it. So guys, that's all for today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. Bye bye.